To begin, pick a sari of your choice and do a normal drape as you would tie any sari. Do the basic first round with the non-pallu end of the sari, tucking all over your front and back. Then go to the other end of the sari and start pleating the pallu. Now bring the pallu around you from the back to the front and toss it over your left shoulder. Follow the top border from the front to your waist and tuck a little portion into your skirt, creating a front loop. Now pleat this loop of fabric in front of you. Once you are done, arrange the pleats neatly, one on top of another. Then holding the pleats together on top, go down a little bit following the folds. Shake the gathered pleats so they all fall neatly in place at the bottom. Now tuck these pleats into your skirt. Next, arrange the front of the pallu. Again, organizing the pleats in order to have them all neatly in place. And your base sari is draped. Now pick another sari in a different color. Bring its pallu from the back and throw it over your right shoulder in front. Pleat the non-pallu end up to about half the sari length. I already have it pleated here. Tuck the pleats into your skirt next to the base sari pleats, leaving it a little loose on your left side. And you are done.
The blue sari and the complementary sari over here is Georgette with hand embroidery done in it. So it's just another look with the same double sari look, and you can make this fall actually live. You can also have this around your neck like that. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new.